Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmermarketing.com, and in today's video what I'd like to share with you is a tutorial on how you can easily find your YouTube channel ID, whether it's going to be yours or anyone else's. So let's not waste any time. Let's get directly into the tutorial. So first and foremost, what we're doing here is we're going to find a YouTube channel ID. This is utilizing a PC, and I'm using Chrome. Now, utilizing browsers such as Edge, Microsoft's, Mozilla, any of the browsers work very, very similar to Chrome. The only differences would be if you're utilizing a Mac computer. All right, so with that being said, what we will want to do in order to find a channel's ID very easily without any help or assistance of any extensions or anything else, first and foremost, you will want to go to a video. So let's just go to a very popular channel. Very, very, very popular channel. So what we'll want to do is we'll go ahead and click on this button. We will want to stop that. Now that we're on the actual channel, you will want to right click, all right, just inside of any blank area. And what you're looking for is view pages source. We want to look at the source code. Now that we're looking at the source code, the very next step is you will want to hit Control F, that's Control Find on a PC utilizing Chrome. Control Find, and what we're looking for is channel ID. It is so easy to find the channel ID. So as you can see here, you have channel ID, and then here it is. It starts with a U, all right? So what we'll want to do is we will want to go ahead and just bring this over. As you can see here, this YouTube channel ID is this right here. Now, why this came up is I made a separate video related to creating a RSS feed from anyone's channel. So these two just play right together. And just really quick, just as an added bonus, if you're trying to get your channel ID, there's probably a reason. If you're looking to find and create your RSS feed, if you take a look below here, because these videos go together, that's why I'm making them. If you just take a look at this URL, if you just add this channel ID here and then copy it, now not only do I have the channel ID, but I also have the ability to create and utilize this RSS feed. But that's how you find a channel ID and get the RSS feed of any channel, but I'll walk you through it one more time. So let's just take a look at the Spanish version, okay? All right, now we're on the Spanish version. We're gonna go over here, or Espanol, I should say, my mistake, my apologies. So what we'll do here is we're on the channel. We will right click. We will view page source, all right? We'll hit Control F, that's Control Find. And then again, what we're looking for is channel ID. Once we find the channel ID, as you can see, it generally starts with a U. This right here is the channel ID. Now, if you're utilizing Mozilla, all right, so Mozilla, how to view source code of any page, all right? If you're utilizing Mozilla, what you will want to do is Control U on Windows or Linux if you're utilizing Mozilla. So you'll have the ability on Mozilla. If you want to view source code using Mac Safari, let's just take a look here quick. What you'll want to do is hit your Option Command U on your keyboard. If you hit the Option Command U on this page, when you're taking a look at whatever channel you're on, you'll hit the Option Command U on your keyboard. You can find the channel ID. So I walked through how to do it on Chrome and on PC. I shared with you how to do it on Mac. I shared with you how to do it in Mozilla. I hope this helps you out. I even gave you a bonus tip of how to get the RSS feed. I hope that you've had a great time. I hope this has been helpful. And I, of course, look forward to seeing you in the next How to Find Your Channel ID video. Have a great day.